Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about something everyone wants, the blue verification check on Instagram. If you want that little blue check next to your name, keep watching because I'm about to walk you through the steps to apply for verification. The first step is to make sure you meet Instagram's criteria. The first thing is authenticity. Your account must represent a real person, a brand, or entity, no fan pages or meme accounts. The second thing is you have to complete your profile. Ensure your profile is public, has a profile picture by going to profile on Instagram and selecting to add a profile picture. You can choose whether to add it from a gallery or import it from Facebook. You can also add a bio. Just click on edit profile and you can add a bio and a website if you want. You can add the link here. Instagram looks for accounts that represents well-known individuals, businesses or brands. You need to have some media coverage or a strong social presence. The second step is to apply for verification. Just go to settings. You can go settings by going to your profile and then selecting the three lines at the top right and search for request verification. Just like that. Now, all you have to do is provide your full name and include a government issued ID if you're an individual or official business documents if you're applying as a company. Just enter your full name here and add the document type. You can choose whether you're entering a driver's license, passport, national identification card, or anything. Now, after choosing the document type and writing your full name, you can add the file. The step 2 is to confirm notability. You can choose the category of your content, the country and region, and the audience. It's optional, but you can add it. You can also add links. Just select the type of links you want to add, either social media or news article, and then copy and paste the URL. So now we're going to go to step 3, the waiting game. The review process can take several days to weeks. Instagram will notify you if you'd been approved or rejected. Don't worry if your request gets denied. Keep growing your account and apply again in 30 days. Getting that blue tick isn't impossible, but it does require meeting Instagram standards. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. And hit the bell so you can never miss another update from me. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.